Hi guys. Okay, so I'll start again. You need a bigger one and the small one. This is thicker than this. You place your extension, the middle, on top of the braids, on top of the hair. Put it up. Okay. Put it here. Act like you're about to go round. Then bring it from in between this one. Then you tie it. Okay. Make sure you have a firm grip here. Can you see that? Then you can bring this and then you continue with your braiding. Okay, as you progress, you start splitting the human hair between between the three extension. Like now I'm going to take some from here and put here, then I go. So remember, we are trying to hide the hair, so we make sure the hair goes on the net, under the extension. Okay, so we try to do the same thing for the third one. Okay, then we'll go again. So don't forget, when you're braiding, make sure you hide, make sure the extension goes above or on top of the real hair. That way you're hiding or protecting the client's hair. Okay, that way you're protecting the client's hair. So this is how the new trick, in case you never knew this, for people that are struggling to grip grip braids from the roots. This is another style that's it's quite easy. I want to believe it's easy and you can do it. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.